The 2026 Porsche Motorhome is more than simply an RV. This automobile is easily recognized as a new kind by its curved carbon fiber bodywork. From the instantly recognizable headlamp shape to the smooth, pop-out door handles, its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and distinctive Porsche design language are all there in its stunning appearance. This is a performance, not merely a display. A strong, all-electric powertrain with 2 motors under the body generates an incredible 950 horsepower. This luxurious home on wheels can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an amazing 4.9 seconds thanks to the swift torque of the strong EV system. With the speed and economy you would anticipate from a Porsche, this campervan delivers on its promise of adventure thanks to a new solid-state battery. You are immediately immersed in a world of cutting-edge technology as soon as you enter the cockpit. Along with a 360-degree autonomous driving interface, the dashboard is a single, sweeping OLED monitor that shows your speed and remaining range. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel has integrated media and navigation systems, and it is modeled after the 918 Spyder. Without ever taking your hands off the wheel, you can use AI-powered voice commands to control the living area, determine your destination, and change the temperature. Even the longest drive seems smooth thanks to the driver's seat's complete electronic adjustability and massaging sport seat. Beyond the cockpit, the living space is a minimalist gem of luxury. High-tech smart glasses that can be covered for privacy or rotated to provide a panoramic view of your surroundings adorn the inside walls. A dining table that effortlessly folds into the wall and a sofa that electrically retracts to free up additional floor space are 2 examples of modular furniture. Natural wood on all surfaces, brushed metal, and soft vegan leather create a luxurious and peaceful ambience. A cutting-edge sound system turns the whole RV into a private performance area, and motorized cabinets and hidden compartments keep the area clutter-free. The master bedroom provides a peaceful retreat for when you need to relax. In a quiet spot is a king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress. The bedroom's sound-absorbing walls provide a restful and cozy night's sleep. A 55-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed is ideal for viewing movies at night since it can be retracted. When the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, a realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling, providing a calm atmosphere. The motorhome's high-tech sophistication is best seen in the bathroom. A large walk-in shower's temperature, pressure, and even steam function may all be precisely controlled with a computerized control panel. The vanity has an illuminated mirror with built-in facial recognition, and the toilet is a heated, self-cleaning device. Each surface is made of a smooth, seamless composite material that embodies Porsche's unique balance of functionality and style. It is not only aesthetically pleasing but also very easy to clean and maintain. The galley kitchen, which combines design and functionality, is a chef's paradise. A retractable 2-burner induction cooktop and a small, deep basin sink with an intelligent faucet are located beneath a sleek black granite countertop. The full-sized freezer and refrigerator blend in well with the cabinets. Combining a microwave and convection oven makes it simple to produce delectable meals, and ingenious storage solutions keep all of your tools and utensils out of sight, but yet accessible. The Porsche Motorhome's kitchen is the perfect illustration of how elegant style can be appreciated without compromising on comforts.